Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn how to divide fractions using a simple rule, which is KCF. Let's take a look on how we do it. With the first example here, let's say I have 2 over 5 divided by 10 over 8. The KCF means keep, change, flip. Keep the first fraction as it is, change the division into multiplication, and flip the second fraction upside down to become 8 over 10. And there we go, we're back into multiplication. And we know how to do this, simply up by up and down by down. I will have 16 over 50, and here I can simplify by dividing by 2 up and down. First of all, it will become 8 over 25, and that's how we do it. Now let's take another example. Let's say here I have 5 over 6 divided by 25 over 12. Apply the keep, change, flip. Keep, change, flip. Keep the first fraction as it is. Change the division into multiplication and flip the other fraction upside down and apply the multiplication. And if you remember, guys, in multiplication and in multiplication only, I can apply the cancelling. So here I can simplify with 5 and 25 by dividing both by 5. This will become 1 and this will become 5. And same thing, I can do it for the 6. Let me change the color. I can do the same thing for the 6. By dividing by 6, 6 will become 1 and the 12 will become 2. And there we go. So 1 times 2 is 2 and 1 times 5 is 5. And that's how we do it. Now let's see how we can deal with mixed numbers. In this example, we cannot apply the keep, change, flip yet because I have a mixed number and I cannot deal with mixed numbers in the division nor in multiplication, as we said. So in this case, what do? We turn it into a mixed number by applying the cycle rule. 3 times 3 is 9 plus 2 is 11 and the denominator stays the same. Divided by 7 over 9. And now we can apply the keep, change, flip. So keep the first fraction as it is, change the division into multiplication, and flip upside down the second fraction. Here I notice that I can cancel 3 and 9. This will become 3, this will become 1, and that happens after dividing by 3 both of them. It will become 11 over 1 multiplied by 3 over 7. Multiply up by up and down by down, it will become 33 over 7. Let's take a final example. In this case, I have to turn them both into improper fractions by applying the cycle. 6 times 2 is 12 plus 3 is 15, so it will become 15 over 6. The denominator never change. And in this case also, 5 times 1 plus 2 is 7, 7 over 5. And now I can apply the keep, change, flip. Keep the first fraction as it is. Change the division into multiplication and flip the second fraction upside down. And there we go. I can here actually cancel by 3, both of them. This will become 5, this will become 2. So 5 times 5, up by up and down by down. 5 times 5 is 25, and 2 times 7 is 14. And like this, we are done. That will be it, guys, for this video. Thank you for watching. And if you have any questions, please put them down in the comments below.